I've been around vintage sewing machines my entire life, and what never ceases to amaze me is that these 90-year-old machines outlast every modern machine on the market. If your computerized sewing machine has already broken down or feels a little too complicated, you're not alone. Today, I'm showing you exactly why the Singer Featherweight is the only machine that thousands of quilters trust. And I'll show you 3 simple ways you can get one running in your sewing room. I mean, modern machines have their place, but if you're quilting, piecing with a straight stitch and a 1/4-inch seam, the Featherweight does it best. Not because it's vintage or charming, though it is both of those things. It's just genuinely better at the job. The Featherweight has one job: to sew a perfect straight stitch. No computer, no circuit boards, just beautifully engineered mechanical simplicity. And that straight stitch is more precise than what you'll get from machines costing 5 times as much. And its consistency is so dependable that quilters who own high-end machines still keep a Featherweight for piecing. Why? Because these machines were engineered when things were built to last. Durable cast aluminum body, metal gears, all mechanical. I've restored Featherweights that sat in barns for decades, yet with a little cleaning and fresh oil and grease, they sew like new. And here's the beautiful part. The simple mechanics mean you can actually service these yourself. No obsolete circuit boards to fail, no plastic parts to break. Everything is available and replaceable, and basic maintenance is surprisingly straightforward to learn. 11 pounds. That's it. You can actually take it to retreats, classes. We even take them on Featherweight cruises. So here are 3 ways to get a Featherweight in your sewing room. Number 1 would be to check out our fully restored and refurbished machines sold on our website. We bring them back to like new condition, including the motor. We service them, they're tested and ready to sew beautiful quilts. Number 2 would be to find one secondhand. Singer made over 2 million of these, so they're out there. Estate sales, antique shops, online. We've got our free resources on our website to help you know what to look for and how to get your new to you machine set up and ready to sew. Number 3, if you already have one sitting in a closet or inherited one from a grandma, we can help you get it sewing again. Our tune-up kit has everything you need, and our free tutorials walk you through each step of bringing it back to life. The Featherweight comes from an era of quality and simplicity. It won't connect to Wi-Fi, upload your quilt designs to the cloud, or read your mind. But 90 years later, it's still the best and most reliable tool for piecing quilts. Your Featherweight will still be sewing perfect stitches when you hand it to your grandchildren. Visit our website to explore restored machines, grab a tune-up kit, or watch our free tutorials. I'm Christian with the Featherweight Shop. Happy quilting.